Hi, I'm Jay Johnson, founder of windowpurchase.com, which is an interactive website to teach people more about Windows. 79 videos up presently, more videos coming within the next 30 to 60 days. I'll have over 100 videos on that website that anybody on the planet can go and watch if they really want to learn what they need to know. Because I'll tell you what about Windows and doors, if you don't put the time in, and I don't mean doing research in areas that are biased or research in areas that really don't give you anything specific or relevant. I'm talking about very refined information. See, the difference between me and most of the clients I see, obviously I do this for a living, but I know where to look and what to look for. The customer just kind of throws out a net and whatever they drag in they try to sift through. And the biggest assumption everybody makes, is, well, I'm sure no matter what I get, it's got to be better than what I have. Don't even get me started on that one. Anyway, subject of the day. You have companies that advertise that, if you get X amount of Windows from them or you buy them the same day they come out, that you're going to get a free gift card. So now let's get real. Do you really think that you're getting a free gift card? Because the companies I know of that run these, it's usually a $25 to $50 gift card, but I also know for a fact that they actually are told to add $300 to the price for you to get a $50 gift card, which doesn't even make sense. If they're going to cover the cost of the gift card and it's $50, why can't they just add $50? Well, I don't know. But what I can tell you is, if you really think you're getting a free gift card, or you really think you're getting a free gas card, this is why these types of companies that run these type of advertisements tend to stay in business. Because there's people out there that are gullible enough to believe that they actually got a free gift card. Anyway, this is a short video. There's nothing else to say. You can believe it or not believe it. My name's Jay Johnson, windowpurchase.com. If you find my videos helpful, please subscribe to my channel and check out windowpurchase.com. Thank you so much.